Hi there. Welcome back to another video on Crafty Chronicles. Thanks for watching. We're heading north, heading up to the Rainy River to get after some sturgeon. A lot of people don't fish sturgeon in the fall on the river for whatever reason, but it is a great time to get after both numbers of fish and big fish. So that is the plan. That's what's on the agenda for this weekend. Mr. Patrick Olson, aka Minnesota Chomp, the lone angler, whatever you know him by, Patches, I call him Patches. He's riding along with me, so I'm gonna pick him up. We're gonna have a great weekend up north, hopefully tangling with some big prehistoric sturgeon. It's gonna be a fun one. Wrestling with some big sturgeon, dodging thunderstorms, super windy all weekend long. So the original plan was to head to Lake Mille Lacs for one last go this open water season at some smallmouth bass. But with gusts of 20-mile-per-hour winds out of the southwest, it's just not really going to be that enjoyable on the big pond. So we're heading north, gonna kind of hide out on the Rainy River. Lots of places to fish, lots of places to get out of the wind, and true trophy potential for walleyes and sturgeon. It's going to be a good one. Got all the stuff packed, got the rods, got the gear, just got to hook up the boat, and we're heading north. Let's go. It's super windy. One thing we do have to battle this weekend is the wind, but that is the sole reason we decided to go up to the Rainy River and not Mille Lacs. So places to hide, bends in the river, can go up or down, might get out towards the bay. It is a south wind, so we'll see what happens. Gonna finish loading up some rods, get the gear, get some bags packed, and then we're gonna go get Patrick and mosey up north. Going to be an adventure. We always have fun. Hopefully we get some big sturgeon in the boat. I'm excited, amped up, ready to go. Patrick's riding dirty in the passenger seat. Hopefully get the lanterns out, get the headlamps out, see if we can get the lights on the boat working, because I don't think we got a good fuse. And we're gonna catch some sturgeon at night. That's the plan. If we can catch one at dark, that'd be a riot, wouldn't it?
Oh, absolutely.
Okay. So we got this to deal with. Hopefully it passes soon. It's coming down hard. Torrential downpour. Ain't fishing in this. Get to town, hang out, let her roll by, see what happens.
Just went through.
Thoughts?
Man, I don't know. It's this weird entity, man. Like, I don't know if Mother Nature just has us, you know, on like a voodoo doll situation. But as soon as me and Crafty here decide like we're gonna go do something cool, adversity strike.
We have clearing skies to the west. Check this out. She's lightening up. Storm's moving northeast. It's just kind of building on the tail end, it seems like. So might get a little dumping here yet, but we are rolling into Steve's Lucky Bait. Gonna grab some of them big juicy crawlers, and then we're gonna try to find a fuse or a light or something to get some lights on this boat so we can fish for sturgeon under the cover of darkness. There she is. Hey! Little residual left over. Thunder, lightning. Might just hang out, float around for a little bit. Most of it's to the north now, so I think we might be okay. Clear skies back behind us, sun's trying to peek out. And then oh, Canada, dark and gloomy. She's blowing through though. We're gonna get out here, get after some sturgeon. See if we can't stick her out into the darkness. That's the plan. Tasty morsels. All set up, ready to rock, sitting in 19 feet. See if the Sturgies want to play after the big storm. She's windy. Apologize in advance. Oh, didn't even get it on camera because it was only 5 minutes, but there she is. Little guy, just a few minutes into the trip. Whew. Plated up, body armored, little bottom dweller. Gonna get Sturgy back. Your turn, pal. Oh. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yep. Be another small little sturgeon. Sucker!
Yeah, that'll bite you on the board.
On the suck board.
Oh, I end up with a 70 inch.
There you have it. Big old suck face. Always mixed in with the sturgeon. As you can tell, we've lost the sun. Darkness is setting in. Patrick just hooked up with the beautiful sturgeon, high 40s. You're gonna have to check that out on his channel. But we're gonna break out the lights, get the lantern, see if we can catch one. Low light. Lights. Lights are out. We need to get one in the darkness. Yup. Yup, that's what we need right there. Ooh, big old critter. It's a sturgeon! Woohoo! Sturgeon at night. Just pure gristle. Powerful fish.
Oh, look at that baby just arcing.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Ah! Ah! She's mean. Mean. Oh, sturgeon at night. Man, what a rush.
Good job, brother.
Ah, here's the deal. Patrick's hooked up with a good, a freak. I don't know if she'll go 60, but she's mid-50s for sure. Saw her jump, she came out of the water like a torpedo. It's too bad it's not light out, you guys would have been able to see that, but this is a good fish. Patrick's panting, he's sweating, things are getting intense. We're gonna celebrate with some McDoubles after this.
Oh, dude. I got to put one.
Oh, that might be it, I don't know, she could be close. Marking beef on bottom. Good sign. Still getting bites here and there. Lots of activity on the screen here. We're still milling around in the darkness. See if we can hook up with one or two more before the night's over. It's about 8:30. Sturgeon keep on going. Oh, I'm getting a bite. Another dart. Look at that little whipper. Oh, I can just flip him in. Nice, easy.
Juvenile.
Man,
yeah,
look at the spines on that one, huh? Body armor, things are cool. We're just gonna dip him right back in the nursery. There she goes. Whew. Another one bites dust. The future. Look at that shovel nose, dude.
That's back
You
up.
can see through it.
Pull him closer to you, we get some perspective.
I mean, look at this. That thing is 10 inches long, and you can see, it's almost transparent, he's so small. All right, that's gonna conclude the first night out sturgeon fishing. Gotta catch them in dark. Actually, I think we caught 9 total.
Yep.
And 6 of them were actually in complete darkness. So that was fun. No super giants. We did get a 54, another one that was high 40s. Probably 48, 49. But 9 sturgeon in 4 hours. Gonna get back out tomorrow, hopefully, and dodge the rain, lift up some more sturgeon from the depths of the Rainy River. It's fun. It's a fun half day. Yep. Fun 4 hours out on the water. So let's see what we get tomorrow. We'll see you then. Bye-bye. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a constant battle. can't win. Although I would say last night was a win. We had 9 sturgeon in about 4 hours. A couple small burbot, pile of suckers, plenty of action, marked a lot of fish, but we're gonna have to do some ducking and dodging, some weaving today, and fish the windows that we can with this rain. And there's supposed to be some more thunderstorms rolling in. Gonna get out on the water, at least get to the landing for now and wait out the rain. If we have to duck back in, we can always do that. So
It's gonna be a cat and mouser today, dude. Just dodge, sit, wait, be patient. I slept Bob Seger style, like a rock. Shoulders hurt, but I'm ready to do it again. It's actually raining harder now.
It is. Well, let's go tangle with the dinosaurs, see what we can get. At least get to the access for now and coop up in the truck. Maybe grab some breakfast.
Sure, dude.
See what happens. Let's go. Gotta get the socks toasty again. Wow. Might as well enjoy a hot breakfast.
Yeah.
On a cold, rainy day. Probably hoped we were gonna get today on the water, but
Well, it is only 9 a.m.
McDonald's always has her back, and we didn't have to sit in line for half an hour this time. Alrighty, let's dip her in, eh? Get out on the river. Look it, it's cleared. Sky is lightened. The worst has passed.
Ready for it.
See, we're not the only dumb ones. 8 other rigs sitting at the access. We got a lot of rain. I mean, a lot of rain. All these tributaries flowing into the Rainy River are chocolate milk. Culverts are pumping water as fast as they can. Fields are full. It's been hectic. It's been crazy. Just a flowing. Gonna have to work with it. Hopefully the sturgeon don't mind. Water doesn't look too terrible actually in here. See if they want to bite. We got a break. We got a break in the rain. Let's get it, huh?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Set up. Rain quit. Wind's not too terrible. Line in the water. Look at that backdrop there. Look at that rain going by. Gross. But we're fishing in comfort for now. Hopefully, the amount of rain we've gotten doesn't turn off the bite, because last night was pretty good. We landed 9, marked a ton of fish. Activity was where it should be. It's what we wanted to see. So hopefully the fish are still geared up, a little feisty, a little perky, want to eat some crawlers. Well, let me see that water clarity quick. Yeah, about 3 inches. Pretty much non-existent. It's like a 2% Land O'Lakes chocolate milk. Now we wait. The fun part, wait for them nibbles. So I was reeling up to check my line, pluck some grass off, and all of a sudden she just loads up. That was weird. I don't know what that was all about. Ooh. Probably mid 40s, I'm guessing. Oh, they're fun. All you can do is hang on for the ride and enjoy it. And if you're Patrick by now, you're super tired.
Oh yeah, that's a good fish, dude.
A good fish. Man, drag's just slipping. If you had to pick one fish that just digs the brakes in, no screaming runs or anything, just pure power, straight to the bottom, sturgeon would be it. This is the weirdest thing. I never saw the fish bite. I was just reeling in my line to pluck that grass off because there's so much debris floating around on the bottom of the river, and all of a sudden, oh, started loading up. Bizarre. Oh, she's got length. It's bigger than I thought. Oh. Oh. I didn't think she was that big. Okay, here we go. Oh, Okay. Just like a big vacuum. All right. Yeah, baby. That's a nice sturge. Oh yeah. Man, so fun, so powerful. A lot of respect for these fish. All right. 56 inches of muscle going back into the Rainy River to get bigger and to be caught again. Oh, bye, sweetheart. Such cool fish. There she goes. Woo! Got the monkey off the back. I needed a bigger fish. I was watching Patrick wrestle all these big dinosaurs all day long. Finally got a tangle with one. Patrick's on the IR up front right now, injured reserve.
Yeah.
He's on the bench.
I can't get it to stop.
That last sturge tore him up pretty good. They're just big enough, the skin's rough enough. They're body armored critters, so. Buddy.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Oh.